So Austin, what do you think of your hair transplant?
It's amazing. So happy with the results, and I couldn't ask for a better result.
This is Austin. He's 33 years old and had a strip transplant with us 2.5 years ago. And I'm going to show you what he looked like initially. This was a Novo 3. It's bitemporal recession from both the left and the right. And today, this is 2.5 years later. You can see that it's got a very good hairline, very natural and high density. And you can see here that the hair transplant is grown in really well, and it merges quite imperceptibly with the rest of his hair. So Austin, what do you think of your hair transplant?
It's amazing. So happy with the results, and I couldn't ask for a better result.
When did you see your hair grow back?
Probably at the 3.5 month mark I started to see it come back, and then by 6 months it was pretty dense.
And have you had comments from friends, family?
I kept it pretty discreet. No one really knew because I didn't have to shave my head. But certainly a lot of people say I look younger now. They just don't know why.
And in terms of confidence and other things?
So much more confident, and wish I did it sooner.
And what about the clinic and all that?
Dr. Gupta is amazing. The staff's amazing. Everyone took care of me every step of the way. Did daily check-ins for the first week, and then I had a really quick recovery.